Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax Efficiency Scorecard for global investors. When global investors receive dividends from different countries, the headline dividend yield is not always the real return. Taxes, withholding rates, treaty benefits, broker deductions, foreign tax credits, and currency records can all change how much income actually reaches your account. That is why a Dividend Tax Efficiency Scorecard can help investors measure and improve their after-tax dividend performance. First, list all dividend holdings in your portfolio. Record each dividend-paying investment, country of origin, account type, expected yield, and payment details. This helps you review tax efficiency holding by holding instead of looking only at the total portfolio. Next, identify your tax residency. Your home country tax residency usually determines how foreign dividends are reported and whether tax credits may apply. Without confirming this step, it can be difficult to know which rules apply to your dividend income. After that, check withholding tax rates for each country. Many countries deduct tax before the dividend reaches your broker account. However, some investors may qualify for a treaty-reduced rate, so it is important to compare the default withholding rate with the reduced rate available under a tax treaty. Then, track the net dividend received. For each payment, record the gross dividend, foreign tax withheld, broker deductions if any, and the final amount credited to your account. This shows the real cash received after foreign withholding and other deductions. Now, measure tax credit recovery. Estimate how much foreign tax may be recovered through foreign tax credits, deductions, or treaty claims in your home tax return. This step is important because unrecovered withholding can reduce your true dividend return. Next, score each holding. Rate every investment based on withholding efficiency, tax credit recovery, record quality, and after-tax yield. A simple scorecard makes it easier to compare investments and identify which holdings are tax efficient and which may need review. After that, compare after-tax yield. Instead of focusing only on the advertised dividend yield, calculate how much income remains after foreign withholding and home country tax. This helps you compare true returns and avoid chasing high yields that may become less attractive after tax. Then, improve the scorecard every year. Review your dividend tax efficiency before tax season, update treaty forms, rebalance inefficient holdings if appropriate, and improve your documentation. A yearly review can help reduce mistakes and protect more of your dividend income. To measure performance clearly, focus on key scorecard metrics such as gross dividend yield, foreign withholding rate, recoverable tax credit, after-tax dividend income, and after-tax yield score. These metrics show how well each dividend investment performs after tax. At the same time, watch for common inefficiencies. High unrecoverable withholding, missing treaty forms, wrong residency details, poor foreign exchange conversion records, ignoring foreign tax credits, and chasing yield without tax review can all reduce your final return. A useful formula is after-tax dividend income equals gross dividend, minus foreign withholding, minus home tax, plus allowed foreign tax credit. This shows that your true dividend income depends not only on what the company pays, but also on what you keep after tax. Another helpful formula is tax efficiency score equals after-tax dividend income divided by gross dividend, multiplied by 100. This score helps investors compare dividend holdings more clearly across countries, accounts, and tax situations. So, the full process is simple. First, the dividend comes from the source country. Then withholding tax may be deducted. After that, the dividend reaches your broker account. Next, you report it in your home tax return. Then you review your scorecard. Finally, you aim for optimized after-tax income. In conclusion, a Dividend Tax Efficiency Scorecard helps global investors move beyond headline yield and focus on real after-tax income. By listing holdings, checking residency, reviewing withholding rates, tracking payments, measuring tax credit recovery, scoring each holding, and improving annually, investors can better understand their true dividend performance. This video is for educational purposes only. Dividend tax rules vary by country, treaty, account type, and investor status, so consider speaking with a qualified tax advisor for personal guidance. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.